Hello. In this lesson, we're going to look at using your senses to talk about aviation photos, the typical kind of exercise that you'd have in your ICAO test. So pay attention and practice. So let's get started on this short lesson to practice the use of using our senses to talk about photos. We'll start off with looks. So for example, the aircraft wing looks damaged. The situation looks dangerous. Look like or looks like plus a noun. It looks like a bird strike. It looks like a runway incursion. Or we can use look or looks like plus subject plus verb. It looks like the plane overshot the runway. And then similarly, we can have looks as if or looks as though plus subject plus verb. It looks as if the passengers escaped unharmed. So as I mentioned before, these structures refer to the visual sense. Let's have a bit of practice here. It looks like a bird strike. Or the nose looks like it was hit by birds or perhaps hail. Next picture. It looks like a fatal accident. I doubt the truck driver survived. It looks like the engineers are checking the main gear for damage. Then we move on to seems. Seems plus an adjective. It seems serious. Then we have seems as if or seems as though, plus subject plus verb. It seems as though there was no alternative. So these have a similar meaning and may refer to one or more of your senses. Okay, you'll probably notice which one you tend to use naturally. I usually use looks like, but it doesn't matter. You can use whichever one you like. It's up to you. All right, I'm a very visual person, so I tend to choose looks like. That's what comes natural to me. Let's get some more practice with seems. It seems like this plane has been stuck in the snow for a long time. It seems like the propellers are beyond repair. Right, let's go on to this one. Okay, in this photo, you would simply say the aircraft is on fire. Why do we do that? Because it's a fact. There's no doubt about it, the plane is on fire. So you wouldn't say it looks like the plane is on fire. Just simply, the plane or the aircraft is on fire. All right, so I hope that gave you some practice. As I always say, go through this video again and again until you feel confident using sensory expressions to talk about photo descriptions, and try and practice it in your everyday situations. Oh, it looks like an uncomfortable situation. It seems like the aircraft is going to be late. Whenever you can practice the language, go ahead and practice. You can never do too much of it. If you enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.